In this video I will show you how to enable new big settings feature in Windows 11 Dev version easily. See new features not enable. Download vivetool and install in C Drive System 32 folder. Download link below description. Type CMD and run as administrator. Copy the text key and paste the text key, then press enter. See the features added. Restart your computer. See new features added successfully and working well. That's it, enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.